Greetings family, a long-awaited video for so many of you that have been waiting for me to launch this product that I've been talking about, showing you guys in video shorts and reels for those who follow us on Instagram. Now, I'm going to be showing you exactly how my indicator works. As I said, I did create this during my time of being away from YouTube. I was trading in private. I coded something that is well aligned with the concepts that I've taught you on this channel and even privately what I teach on mentorship. Just simply simple supply and demand candle together with or coupled together rather with candlestick confirmation and a little bit of moving average, and it's displayed simply on the chart. Why did I create this, right? When you're in a mental space where you cannot really often focus or laser focus on the markets, where you need a lot of technical analysis, confirmations to really make sure you're getting those sniper entries to take a trade to make consistent income as a full-time trader. This is why I made that. So I wanted something that can still help me, something that still has that accuracy that I have to be able to get in those trades. And not just also that, but something that can be a tool of confirmation because it's already coded. Therefore, it doesn't have the emotional instability that I would have if I'm on the charts. If I arrive on the charts and I'm unwell or anything like that, it can just give me a mental clarity and just directive into my trade, or give me confirmation of trades. So that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you. I'm going to be fully breaking down the entry indicator in this video, showing you how it works. And it works everywhere, just on MetaTrader platform, guys, not on MetaTrader 5. I had a lot of people asking me, does it work on MetaTrader 5? Only on MetaTrader 4. Now it can work on currencies, it can work on indices, it can work on metals, futures, crypto. So anything that you find available on your broker is unlimited to work on all of those tools that your broker is giving you. Now I'm going to jump to the screen and I'm going to show you these different sectors, from currencies to indexes to metals to cryptos, different setups and different perspectives. I'm going to show it from a technical analysis perspective, how much work you'd have to put in. This is the less work that you would have to just put in on this system, where you just have to wait for an arrow and you take the trade. Okay, so that's exactly what we're going to do, and I'm going to do it with the utmost honesty. I'm going to tell you the advantages and the disadvantages of the system, so that if those who want to jump in as we have launched this product, you know exactly what you're buying into. Okay, God bless you. Let me jump on the screen now. Okay, family, so as I've assured you that I really want to break it down for you, we are on Pound USD. And for those who are going to be getting this indicator, and for those, of course, who are watching right now, mainly just the H1 time frame, that's what we're going to be using, because we just want to catch those intraday trades. Again, I didn't want to be on the chart. Yes, it can work on lower time frames, but advisably on the H1, that would be the best and most preferable time to trade and accuracy. Okay, now I just want to bring you to this setup here, or really how it works. Then I bring you to the setup. So simply how it works, we have dotted lines over here. The yellow dotted lines would signify a bullish trend, or that we still have a bullish trend active. Your gray lines would represent a bearish trend that is still active. Now it comes with arrows there, gray arrows signifying sells, green, yellow arrows signifying buys. Okay, then it's overlaid with an Ichimoku. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing right, but you excuse me. Ichimoku indicator overlaid of that, the yellow one, that is a little bit bolder than the gray one. Now, the yellow Ichimoku there, it's more to give you confirmation of entry and to also let you know that you're still within the trend. Deadly is to let you avoid smaller or unworthy signals or false signals that may come up. As I said, this system is coded due to just ordinary supply and demand. That means it will pick any supply and demand that it gets. So the Ichimoku ensures that you don't take any trade that is not worth it in terms of taking trades. Again, I need to say this and say it out loudly. This is not a holy grail of trading. This is not going to be your one-time solution to becoming a millionaire. You still need to put in the work. You still need to respect the rules. And with consistency, with a number of trades, you are going to see, of course, profits that can yield a good lifestyle or a decent lifestyle. Okay? I just hope you get that. I'm not promising you 100% here. You will see we will have genuine losses. You will see we have genuine wins. Now, let me tell you when to take trades and not when to take, or rather, when to take trades and not when not to take trades. So when and when you shouldn't, rather. Okay? So the confirmation here comes in when I get the yellow line here broken. So if I'm selling in this case, a bearish market like this one, I took a sell this morning. This was a nice, beautiful one. The yellow line was broken and a candle closed below that or closed just, I took the signal right there. Some of you guys must have seen that on my shot. That's how I would take this sell. Now, this kind of sell here, I wouldn't take this sell because we do have this trend, or rather this moving average here, letting me know that we're still in a bullish trend. I have not gotten confirmation for sells yet. So even if it comes in, yes, it was profitable to some extent, but it's not worth it. As you can see, it's just a few candles that come in. Okay. Now, would I have taken this buy? Yes, I would have taken it. Would I have hit a stop loss? Yes, I would have probably hit a stop loss. There we go. I would have taken this buy. I would have been in profit. Again, maybe if I'm taking on, let me just show you quickly. As I said, I just want to be as frank as honest. Maybe if I'm taking profits on this, then it's quite profitable, but that would be a short move. Some would be upset. Stop loss right below the arrow. Okay. Maybe it would be a loss if I wanted to hold longer because I usually hold 1:3, or would have still a break-even trade. But now the system does something here that I want to bring your attention to. It breaks the yellow line. It closes with a nice bearish candlestick. And therefore, that's where I actually took a trade. I didn't take this one because of the take profit range that I was seeing. Because I would have to take, or rather, the rules is to take your profit at the next higher high or lower low. In this case, it would be this structure here, taking profit. Hence, so we entered right there, stop loss here, and then we're taking profit at that next structure. Okay. Now, look at how I would take this buys. Okay, we have the market here ranging again. You've got the trend guide. I'll also guide those who are getting the systems, their windows of time. I would prefer you to trade in where I'm assured that such things you would not be caught up into in terms of ranging markets. So I wouldn't trade this. But as it breaks out, watch when it breaks out. This was 4 p.m. here. So this is New York time. Definitely, that's the time one would look into trading markets such as those that possess the US dollar, like pound USD over here. Momentum is there for sure. So that would be a great time to trade. So in that case, look at the candlestick that comes out or the arrow there that comes out. Again, I would want to just wait for a clear break out of that or a clear close, and that will be that candle there. And then that's where I would actually just take this trade, take it right here, be closing above, guys, because I'm looking at this yellow line closing above that, and then I'll put my stop loss just slightly below that arrow. Then in this case, again, I can be targeting the next highs, which is this. We have room to the left. Probably I would have just held the 1:3 trade. I wouldn't be greedy. Again, sometimes I probably just take two trades and then make sure I can just, trail stop it as the market is telling me we're still in the trend. We're still in the trend for such things. So you do have some nice home runs here that come based on market conditions. Again, here's another beautiful buy over here. Okay. It gave you a buy above, in fact. So this even a high probability gave you a buy above, or when the market was above this yellow line, gave you that arrow. I would have straightly entered this. Again, you can target those next highs, stop loss here. Or you can simply, as it breaks those highs, you can just trail stop, maybe enter one or two trades on that market. That's simply how it works, guys. But let's go and check it out. In terms of gold, what did it actually do? The very same thing here, the very same rules that I would actually follow. As you can see, this sell came about. It came on this candle here. So as you can see, it does not reprint. So I would probably have sold here, but then I wouldn't have sold. Why? Because we have this moving average that's telling us we're still in a bullish trend. So therefore, I wouldn't deem it worthy of selling. But we can see structure breaks out of that, wants to give us a buy candle or buy signal. I wouldn't take this buy either. Why? Because, okay, the market, it's showing me here that we can still be actually selling now because we broke below that. So any buy that comes in that has not broken above that, I'm not taking this signal. But guess what happens here? A good signal comes in. It gives me a candle that has broken below that yellow moving average. Therefore, this would have been a good entry. Here we go. Stop losses right here. And again, take profit can be the next low. You can also go for other lows right here. Okay. With risk management, money management, I will get to. I actually taught that when you get this video. Risk management and money management and managing a trade, it's included in that. So again, how I'd manage this trade, I would enter 1 to 2 trades and then let the first one hit here, the second one just trail stop it until I get to hit my ultimate take profit or just hold it. Okay? And then it'll probably kick me out as I'm trail stopping it. The very same buy over here that occurs. Look at this buy. This market again gives us a signal right here as this candle closes above the yellow line. Now I would buy over here, stop loss here, and of course look at this beautiful take profit range. So making that over that. Again, I'll probably enter 1 or 2 trades so that I can just hold until it kicks me out on the second trade. That will be gold. Can go to Nasdaq, quite volatile pair. I do love it. This morning, we can see we also got another signal right here. This is a nice high probability signal. Look at that again. It gives us a signal right on this candlestick. So this is broken above that yellow line. So I would have taken this entry, stop loss below here, and I'll be probably now aiming for this. Again, I'm not on this trade. I took pound. Okay, this would be my take profit. This would be my stop loss. This would be my entry. Okay, so this is not for people who are looking for sniper entries or the quickest money. I do advise one to in terms of percentage per trade, just take it as easy as consistently compound, and you'll definitely make money. I'm not looking. This is not for you guys to be full margin trading because you're sure that it's not going to be a losing trade. I'm not looking for people with that mentality. This is just simply for individuals who just want to trade consistently, who don't want too much confirmation of entries and so forth. Just simplicity at its best. This is Bitcoin, by the way. And as you can see, it gave that buy based on what I've been saying. You would see this would be a good buy. It gave it on this candle, so you probably enter somewhere there. Stop losses here. You're aiming for that high. So not too bad for those who like trading crypto. Another entry that I could have took here. Let me show you how I take entries like this where I don't want to miss out. I would like to actually just hope that the market just closes above this. Okay, and then that's when I would take this entry. But probably I wouldn't have took that entry. Now, I'm actually reminded of something that I was gonna forget. This type of candlesticks remind me of news trading. I wouldn't advise to trade news with this system or to aim for news. If you're already in a trade before news occurs, you're still fine. It will probably give you with the trend because we're trading H1, but I wouldn't advise you to look for NFP and then you want to trade NFP with this. Just strictly technical analysis. This is Bitcoin, guys. Let me just push it through. You can see what took place here on Bitcoin. Quite good entries according to what I taught you or what I just showed you here. So yeah, as I've been saying, guys, we're launching this. I think this is the official launch date because I'm posting it on the 27th. I posted it yesterday. I didn't anticipate so many people to sort of DM me asking about it. And I did see I'm lacking a little bit of, show you the clarity of how this system works and what you're buying into when those of you are interested. And speaking about those of you who DM me, right? Again, the first five of you individuals who are gonna be getting this system on their hands, I'm giving you a gift of 50% off on this system. So it's quite premium or it's quite highly priced. Now I'm giving you 50% off on that highly priced because we're quite sure about this system. As you have seen it for yourself, you've seen this will work. Uh, you can just apply it and grow consistently grow. We also want to include a group where we're gonna show you support for those who maybe still want to learn how to use it and confidently maybe confirm trades with me. I will include a group for that. And then, so this only 50% off is lasting. As of today, you're seeing this video till the 30th of May. Then as of the 1st of June, it's gonna be the full premium price, guys, that you guys are gonna be getting off the system. So I would encourage you, if you're looking at getting it, do hurry up in terms of that and become the first people that get it. As you can see, guys, the results do speak for themselves. Again, it's not the holy grail of trading. It's not your 100% accuracy trading. You are going to have a little bit minimized losses. But if you follow the rules, definitely, I think you're going to be more on the winner side than on the losing side of things. Okay. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Let me know what you want to learn next about this system or anything that you want to see in particular, and I'll make sure I can include it. Oh, just before we can go off, guys, for those who want to see trades that I took on this system, we do have a Telegram where I just share results of this, guys. Okay. Um, Let me see if that Telegram is showing. I think it is. There we go. Yeah. So these are some of the trades that I took on Telegram, guys. Pound USD again. According to exactly what I just said, I do not trade opposite with what I just said. It's just simple rules that apply to this system. This was beautiful, beautiful entries here. As you can see, this was a before from Nasdaq, and this was after. Okay, this was on Nasdaq again, pound. Okay, this was an account that was growing over here, and I've made 2,000 on that, actually 3,000 on that account. This was another trade. I was going a little bit reckless trading here, which I wouldn't advise you to do. But yeah, another trade on Nasdaq over here. Again, the same confirmation that I was talking about. Another Nasdaq trade. So yeah, this is where I send some of my results. If you want to just see them for those who are just looking at long term, just observing what I do with this system. I want to be actively trading with it a lot. So I'm looking forward to showcasing it. Yes, priority of this channel is smart money, but we also want to show you a little bit more effortless trading when it comes to just breaking down this type of trades.